Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got another winner for you right here. What a beautiful, beautiful truck. That is a 2018 Peterbilt there, guys. That's a 337 model. It's absolutely gorgeous, single axle. That is a 33,000 pound GVW, and wait till I show you what all this has. To start with, under the hood, you've got a nice Paccar PX7, and that's backed up by an Allison automatic. And being an 18, yes, it does take depth. He goes right there. Here's your nice big old fuel tank right here, and that looks like that's a 50-gallon for you. These are the controls for the unit. I'll show you that in a little bit. This has got interesting. This has side storage on the side. Look at this. Those of you up north, that's what a rust-free truck looks like, just so you know. Look at there. 18,000 pound capacity bed. Alloy wheels. Knee-deep in rubber. Look at this. Factory paint. Such a beautiful truck. That dovetail right there can lift and hold 10,000 pounds. And I'll show you that in just a couple of seconds, but I want you to look at this. Look at the shape this thing is in. Man, that doesn't even look like it's hardly been used, does it? Look at there, alloy wheels, and look at there. Those are the real McCoys right there, Alcolas. So here you got another toolbox on this side, but this one, it just has two separate doors. So it's a little easier for you if you're not getting out a whole bunch of stuff. Now, whatever is here, you're going to get it. I don't want it. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. Look at the interior. Holy mackerel. Look at this thing. I love Peterbilt. They're so proud they put their name right on the seats there. Look at the floorboards. Wow, I'm going to show you why in just a couple of minutes. Beautiful, beautiful truck. This has got the mirrors on the side there, convex mirrors. Such a pretty, pretty truck. Look at that thing. Nice and quiet, too. I like it. So, this is an Xtreme. This is a EZ18, so that's an 18,000 pound capacity. I haven't actually measured the length of the deck. I'll do that for you. I'll put it on the website so you got it. Look at here under there. You got air brakes. And you probably can't see it on this side, but that also has air ride suspension. So it also has air dump. So if you were going to use this, if you were going to load something on this right now, you start by lowering the air dump just to make it a little bit less of a ramp like that. You drive your vehicle up, you put half of it up here, you leave the other half on the tail back there. Then you raise it up. Look how fast acting that is. It's unbelievable. Now when this comes around, you're going to see and you're going to hear it click in position. There you go. Now you're going to set him back down. He's going to lock in position. Now, tell me your rollback is faster than that. Here's another thing I want to share with you. Look at the length of that. Now, if that was a rollback, what do you got to do? You got to roll that thing all the way back. So what happens is you end up with the back of the truck here, and then your vehicle there. Holy mackerel, you need a football field to use it. This here is very compact. Heavy duty, haul equipment, you can haul vehicles. That is a 15,000 pound winch right there. Let's see. Yep. 15,000 pound winch right there. Such a nice set. Now, inside here, such a nice truck. There's your air ride driver's seat. Again, I always love that. I think that's so cute. Such a clean rig. So you got power window on the passenger side. On the driver's side, you got the manual cranks. Not a big deal. You got your tilt wheel here. You got your, got a radio. Let's turn him down. Okay. So you got a working radio while we're on that. It says it's got a phone, it's Bluetooth, it's all got little jacks right there. It's got a USB port right there. Concert class is what it says. Backup camera right there. I'm gonna just set the cruise off. We don't need that running anymore. There's your control for the strobe lights up on top. There's your heater and air conditioning controls. As I say, it's an automatic, it's an Allison, and let's just see. It is a 6-speed Allison. There you go. And then you got your traction control and your regen, looks like Jake brakes, PTO control right there, air dump right there, cruise control, this little knob right here. When you turn that little knob right there, what it does is it moves your little thing up here. So if you want to know anything about the truck, you go down, you turn it on, there you go. Hey, it's set at 72 miles an hour for the speed. That's interesting. Okay, so get out of that. Exit. You got truck information. No faults, no warnings. That little bell right there, I had to look that up. So someplace on here I got to turn it off. This has got an alarm set for the driver. So if the driver wants to take a little nap someplace, he can. That'll wake him up. Here's the really cool part, kids. Are you hanging on right there? 42,000 miles. Yep, 42,000 miles. And it's got a whole 1,029 hours on it. That's why I say this thing is so clean, so much like new. And of course, regular gauges, you know how those things all go right there. Sound system, boy, it's even got the nice Peterbilt speakers up here. Didn't even notice that before. You got your little armrest, your sun visors right there, glove box. Oh, a couple little components for the back end back there. Might be some owner's manuals in there. Nice, nice, nice. Beverage holders on the bottom. Such a nice piece. Reclining seat on the passenger side. Such a beautiful, beautiful truck. 2018 with a whole 42,000 miles and 1,000 hours on it. Loaded for bear, kids. 18,000 pound capacity, deck up there, toolboxes, 100%. That's about as rust-free as you're gonna get without going to see the boys at Peterbilt and paying them a whole lot more money. Strobe lights, flashers, light bar, you name it, it's got it all. 2018 model Peterbilt. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. You know how to do it. All you got to do is give me a call. My number is 602-510-5444. And she's just sitting here waiting for you. Once again, I thank you for looking.